I'm going to try to show you two things here. One is an adjustable verge on this Herr 8/8 clock. There's actually a slip joint on the verge right up in this area. That's how you adjust the clock to sound just right when it's ticking. Right now the clock is pretty much on what I call a sweet spot, or other people call it's in time. Now when you cock the clock to one side, this one has a really small sweet spot. You'll hear the clicking, ticking change. Hear that? Tick, 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 tick. It's out of time. Put it down. You see this one has a really, really small sweet spot. It's a very nice clock though.